Well, Talia's on her first flight to Dunedin all by herself. Went on, bye mummy, bye Auntie Faith. Went off and went straight. Now she's backing out onto the tarmac. Big brave girl, all of 6 years old, and going on her first solo flight down to see Auntie Ange and Uncle Stephen in Dunedin. Have a safe trip, Princess. We'll miss you and it'll be very quiet while you're away. But I can't wait till you come back, darling. We're turning around on the tarmac and ready to take off down to Dunedin. One plane's taking off and you're just backing up. Hope you're going to have lots of fun cooking sausages and riding your new bike that Uncle Stephen and Auntie Ange brought you. And go and see Rudy the dog and have heaps of fun on your trip. Not long, be brave. I wonder what the pilot's waiting for. Yep, the little truck's moving away now. And when he's out of the way, the pilot's gonna fly you up into the sky. 1, 2, I wonder how long it's gonna take. Yep, ribbons are off. Not long now. Oh look, Star Alliance, where does that plane taking off? Oh, there's another plane, and I think yours will be next. The last ribbon's taken off your plane. Waiting for him to move and then you'll go. Now the truck's moving, so it looks like you're about to take off on your big trip to Dunedin. What a big brave girl, all of 6 years old and going all by yourself. You're so brave. There goes one plane taking off, and then I think it's you.
It's ready to take off. No, it isn't part of it, it's the part of the people that's just waiting to get out and take off. Very good, eh? A little late now. No, it's all good. So what are you doing now? Are you going home?